how to add device to iOS, find my device. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add your iPhone, iPad, Mac or any Apple device to Find My so you can track it if it ever gets lost or stolen. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. If you're not signed in, log in with your Apple ID and password. Next, simply tap on Find My. Here you'll see an option called Find My iPhone. Simply tap on it. Make sure Find My iPhone is turned on. Also, enable Find My Network and send last location for better tracking. Now, if you have any other Apple devices like a Mac, iPad, or Apple Watch, they will be added automatically if they sign in with the same Apple ID. Now, open the Find My app on your iPhone. You should see all your Apple devices listed over here. If your device is connected to the internet, you can track its location in real time. And that's it. Your device is now linked to Find My and you'll be able to track it if it ever gets lost.